we had to come up with a new campaign, and I wanted something more innovative and exciting. I think that's when I just had a word with Pat, like what is it that we can do, something very different and something unique. And like, give me a week's time, I'll come back to you with a nice idea. I said, well, go ahead, do it.
So the idea started with she just wanted a behind the scenes shoot of, you know, the making of the shoes and all of that, and stills and photography bit. But his vision was to do obviously something beyond that and something better and bigger, something that we would all take back from and something that would add on to our own portfolios. We did a lot of research to check whether something like this was available on the internet. They have made installations with shoes, but it's like metal pieces that have been cut and placed and fitted in together. So what we had to keep in mind here was that we cannot damage the shoes. And then he decided that we can hang the shoes in a way where we can show the logo. You know, in that whole process, first we pitched this idea. I started making the illustrations for the flow of the film. You know, how it's going to look, zoom out, all the shoes that are forming the logo, and then it cuts to the logo. That was our very first storyboard that we went and sold to them, and they really liked it. It was just about the idea that we really liked, that the client really liked, and we wanted to do something big.
Now you're looking for a location which was really big. So my installation size was about 40 feet by 8 feet. So when I came here and I entered the office and I'm like, Sneha, मैं 2 office की location ढूंढ रहा है, ये office का location क्यों नहीं कर सकते? And then while in a client meeting while I was presenting everything, Roshan came up with this idea कि अरे we have a space on the 8th floor, why don't you check it out? After, like I literally felt like the alchemist, where, you know, I surfed through everything around the world and I found something in the house.
Well, then that's how he kind of ideated with his team and came up with this brilliant idea, which it has actually never been done before, which is going to be a first time project for a footwear brand worldwide, which is going to be done by Heel and Buckle. So yeah, it's really exciting to see how this is all panning out. And yeah, and now looking at the way it's happening and the way my Heel and Buckle logo is coming up, it's really exciting. It's like, you know, whatever we discussed, whatever was on paper is now coming to life, and it looks brilliant.
You know, I've worked for a lot of things, multiple things. I've never been settled into one thing, but creating something of your own is madness.
Yes, and I'd also like to add that your team is brilliant. They are amazing, and I think all of this wouldn't have happened if I didn't have this amazing team that he got on board. And it's all a joint effort by everyone together, including his team and my team. We've all worked really hard. And yes, I'm sure the end result's going to be amazing for sure.